Good morning, hi dear friends, Ramia. Duty-free shopping at Qatar International Airport. Qatar International Airport offers a world-class duty-free shopping experience that rivals the best airports globally. From luxury brands like Gucci, Chanel and Rolex to local Qatari souvenirs, travelers are spoiled for choice. The duty-free zone also features a wide array of perfumes, cosmetics, electronics, and chocolates, making it the best spot to indulge in retail therapy before your flight. Though don't forget to check out seasonal sales and exclusive collections available only at the airport. The gates at Qatar International Airport are designed to ensure a seamless and stress-free journey, dear friends. Strategically, located signs, clear announcements, and efficient staff ensure passengers reach their boarding areas comfortably. The gates are equipped with spacious waiting areas, charging stations, and amenities to cater to all needs. Whether you are at A380 compatible super gate or a compact bay for regional flights, the attention to detail and service is impeccable. Behind the scenes, the International Airport's aircraft bays are a marvel of engineering, designed to accommodate everything from narrow-body jets to the iconic Airbus A380. These bays ensure swift turnarounds, advanced ground support systems, meticulously organized fueling and baggage operational, or you can say package operations highlight the airport's commitment to efficiency and safety. Beyond duty-free, the retail shops at Qatar International Airport offer something for everyone. From high-end fashion boutiques and tech stores to bookstores and pharmacies, the retail experience is comprehensive. Don't miss the diverse food and beverage options, ranging from international cuisines to authentic Middle Eastern taste. Really, very much different, very much. I try to capture each and every moment, each and every moment. Really is Qatar International Airport. Amazing, amazing, amazing. No words I have to admire Qatar International Airport. For technology lovers, the airport offers cutting-edge electronics and gadgets from brands like Apple, Samsung and Sony. Whether you need a last-minute travel accessory or the latest gadget, the electronic stores provide a wide array of products, often at competitive duty-free prices. For readers and entertainment seekers, bookstores provide a variety of novels, travel guides, magazines, and games to make the journey more enjoyable. Travelers can also find kids' stores stocked with toys and games to keep young ones entertained. Convenience stores offer travel essentials such as snacks, beverages, medicines, and hygiene products. They are strategically placed across the terminal, ensuring last-minute purchases are quick and hassle-free. Hamad International Airport goes beyond the conventional airport design by integrating natural elements into its architecture. This unique approach provides travelers with a relaxing and refreshing experience. Located in the main terminal, the Jewel Garden is a serene oasis featuring lush greenery and vibrant flowers. This indoor garden is designed to calm travelers and provide a moment of tranquility amid the hustle and bustle of the airport. For families, the airport offers park-themed play areas with soft flooring, slides, and climbing structures. These spaces are inspired by outdoor parks, giving children a fun and safe environment to expand their energy. The airport incorporates sustainable practices into its park themes, including eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient designs. These green spaces highlight Qatar's commitment to environmental consciousness while enhancing the traveler's experience. Adding to the park-like ambience are artistic installations that blend nature and creativity, from sculpture resembling natural elements to installation inspired by Qatar's desert landscapes. These features create a visually stunning environment. This is why I call Doha International Airport the amazing one. The beauty section boasts an impressive collection of international brands such as Dior, Lancome, and more. Whether you're looking for exclusive fragrances, skincare products, or makeup essentials, the airport beauty outlets cater to every need, every need. Hence, Doha International Airport is more than just a transit hub. It is a destination for amazing and diverse shopping experiences. The retail shops are carefully curated to cater to the need of every traveler, whether they seek high-end fashion, technology, or everyday essentials. Travelers can also indulge in premium shopping with brands, as I mentioned earlier, like Gucci, Chanel, and much more, offering the latest collection in fashion, handbags, shoes, and accessories. These luxury boutiques are conveniently located in the Qatar's airport's duty-free area, ensuring travelers can access world-class products while on the move. So, next time, whenever you do transit, remember Qatar Airport open its hand to welcome the valuable travelers. Really amazing. So guys, enjoy the video. I captured each and every moment. And do comment how do you rate the quality of the content. Take care. Bye bye.